Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're back in the garden. We're going to pull some weed barrier up and till this garden. It got really hard during the summer. The weed barrier worked great. It did seem like we were losing nutrients going to the plants, which we are hoping to pick up some humus, and we will add that in, till it, and put a cover crop down in hopes of a heavier nutrient soil next year.
This will be the first time that we have done a cover crop in either of the gardens over the winter, so this will be kind of new to us, but from what I have read and what we have found out from others, I think it works very well in adding what we need back into the soil. We are going to take a soil sample to see just where we're at and what exactly we need to add in. We did visit a community down in Bloomfield in southeast Missouri, and they're going to hook us up with some humus and some other compost material, and they have a couple other things of organic matter that they can add to our mixture based on our soil sample. So we are going to, like he said, pull this up today, work the ground a little bit, take a sample, and hopefully at the end of this week maybe get the garden ready for wintertime and a cover crop.
So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to try and pull these stakes up, pull the weed barrier up, and try and till. Unsure of what the wind was going to do to this paper, we did put a lot of these little stakes down in hopes that this paper would not blow away. So we're going to pull these up, and hopefully next year we'll be able to, it'll take a little bit more time, but hopefully we'll be able to get those back in the same slots. But this ground got pretty hard, so we're hoping what we do will revive this garden. So let's get started. So I believe we're going to let this garden air out for just a few days and till this up. There are some pretty damp spots around in here, and all that's going to do is obviously just clump up in the tiller. So we'll let it air out a little while, and then we will till it.
I'm a worker guy to find these. Do you know these are like treasure hunts?
It is like a treasure hunt, isn't it? Yeah. Almost. Really hard, buddy. Oh, almost. There you go, just yank them out of there. Oh man, got some big muscles, don't you? All right, we got the weed barrier pulled up, and just from pulling that barrier up, the garden is drying extremely well. Babe decided to go ahead and clean the chicken house out. That's what she's doing now, and I'm not sure what Press is doing. What are you doing?
Doing this on the rock because we bugged them.
Huh? So this brand of this is Formex. It is the Snap Lock chicken coop. Let's see where it basically just snaps together. Really easy design. Has done an excellent job. It's like a poly type plastic. We have not had any issues yet. You basically get it, it snaps together. And how many chickens are we up to?
About 5.
5 chickens. We have had 7 in here, but
Daddy,
a few of them passed away. I also added on the Hentronics automatic door opener. This has been great. It's got a little cell in there that picks up the sun, opens in the morning and closes at night. There's our solar panel to keep the battery underneath charged up. I highly recommend that, so you don't have to run in and out all the time to check your chickens, to close the door or open them up. It's automatic.
hey, Daddy. Mama, I need more one.
Huh?
Yeah.
You need water in that? Okay. You helping to spray?
Yeah.
Okay. Cleaning the Martin houses up. We have definitely had a full day. We got all the Martin houses clean, chicken houses clean. We pulled the tarp paper up from the garden. And I'm fixing to show everybody a little bit more about that house whenever Jess starts putting it together.
You fill up really hard. Josie, don't eat. This is where the chickens lay eggs. So why do the chickens lay eggs?
So what's pretty cool about this house is there's a little back door that goes on, and you can clean these out very, very easy. And she's fixing to put a little door on, so it just latches. And then whenever the nesting boxes, very easily they come out, and they just slide out that way. So if you need to clean them out, if you're ever considering little houses, and these do come, yes, these do come off like this. They just slip on underneath, and then they latch. They latch down here. But yes, you can take them off. Don't be alarmed. Well, we're gonna go ahead and wrap this video up for today. Thank you all for watching. Once again, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share these videos. We enjoy making them, and just a lot going on today. We got a lot done. We'll see what the weather does this fall, and hopefully we'll have the garden prepped for next year. Thank you all.